What strap?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. You want my sight lap, but
The sight lap.
yeah, okay. Sight lap. Just not. I don't think goosing on your sight lap's fair. So. What did I? What I?
You goosed it on your sight lap.
I don't know about that. No sight lap. You already had yours.
No, you get a sight lap.
No.
No more sight laps. No sight laps.
Do you do like comedy vlogs or?
Okay, my buddy Mackenzie just called me and said, come on over, bring the camera. I got a surprise, so let's see what it is.
And I was 25.
No.
Edit that out. Edit out him saying no.
Look for your YouTube
Welcome to Nick Rides.
channel.
Today we're doing a time trial of who has the fastest lap around the field.
In that truck? Oh, that's gonna be easy.
You think you're gonna beat us?
I'm gonna roll that thing.
It'll be on camera. Hey, keep watching, see what happens.
Shells.
Yeah, just all the garbage.
This is a brand new sweater.
You're not wearing a helmet? He'll be fine.
I think the back wheel should be
Gim,
touching it.
I think the back tires should be touching the wood.
The box. Go, Connor, get the helmets.
Just gonna fuck this field up.
It's a fucking Power Ranger.
Is he in form?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are ripping the old Silverado around the field time trials. So you know what it is. Back your favorite.
Nope. You'll get in.
What? No. I think you should go next. I think you should. You want to know why? You want to know why you should? Because. How do you feel?
Good. Race ready. Yeah. I'd like to thank our sponsors today.
Yeah, James sponsor guy.
Yeah. For the donation of the Chevy.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be a good day.
How did you
Boys
feel
did a good-
post heat there?
Pretty good. I was pretty relaxed, and I got my dry run in there. A couple big drinks of beer and some ramen. I'm good now. Yeah.
All right.
Yelling. Oh my God. I don't know.
Anything that I would do.
Your videos are bad.
My videos aren't bad. They're just hilarious.
got to put another coat of wax on that
Okay,
truck.
Gim's up.
Yeah, give him see you again.
Oh,
Second lap. Second heat 2.
Yeah, he too. That was fast.
27.
We're lining up.
Don't worry about that ratchet strap. Yeah.
Holy fuck! Stop! Back up a bit, cheater. Little more, little more, little more, little more. Okay, okay. Whoa! Back up.
Can't take anything.
Okay. No, you're good there. What's that, 26.7?
It's not about being about the best. It's about being better than yourself yesterday.
Oh man, what is that? Some kind of psychology?
I believe I just got
Are you throwing
25.
gang signs?
28? 28 was your time.
Free like an eagle. Can't believe I got 25 seconds,
28
so
flash your
it's hard being the best.
Oh!
It's gonna be.
What was it?
I told him my secret, so now he's going to stop. Don't worry about it.
Oh my god! A 29!
He's the last.
Who?
I think.
Oh!
You lit a fire in the ditch.
That was very controlled. He did? I don't think he did. That's an interesting strategy. Nice. That's pretty good.
How do you feel post race here?
No photography, no flash photography.
Oh, sorry, Connor. How do you feel that post run there?
I could have given it some more. Could have given it some more
juice.
I had complete control, so.
Let her rip. That's a good start. Oh no. I think that is wide as possible. That's crazy. It's just me here.
How do you feel today?
I feel like so I won in the two-wheel drive tournament for going counterclockwise. We are now going to clockwise, and I feel good. I feel like today, you know, my team's working really hard, keeping my machine working really well. It's a Chevy. I mean, we had to do nothing. We checked the oil later, but when we first started, I mean, we haven't done anything. That thing, it's got AC. The radio's working great. The tailgate fell off for a short period, and I think we're ready to roll in clockwise. And yeah, I see myself finishing very high.
All right, appreciate that. That's on
you guys
camera.
all hit it forward. They took it in forward. Don't tell me. Don't tell them.
How do you shift it into forward? Do you have to go in neutral?
I was in four-wheel drive on my start, bitch.
Do I? Wait, how do you not roll? Could have been me.
No, that was Becca. I did that over there. Oh, don't blame me.
It was me.
You're gonna edit that in, I know.
I'm feeling pretty good after the races. Obviously, I came first twice, so it's crazy to have these like scores. Like, I don't want them to feel bad, but obviously winning in the four-wheel drive and then the front way two-wheel drive as well, it's pretty tough. So, you know, I appreciate everybody, and I appreciate today's sponsors, and you know, our mascot Wiz. Go say hey. So, you know how it is, but thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below. Any questions, we'll definitely answer them, but thanks for watching. Nick Shop out. Is that what it's called? Oh no, edit that out, Nick, edit that out. Come here. Oh.
That guy won them all. Mark that down. Yeah, okay, here's the thing though. You moved that tire in.
I never moved it.
Yeah, you did. That turns way better
I never
now.
moved that tire.
Oh, so that's where he hit it? Because it moved in when he hit
I said
it.
I'm gonna move that tire. I never moved it.
Oh, okay, but he moved it. He pushed it way in.
I mean, sorry.
You're,
I think he's
okay, well,
that's the way it
so
is.
this time's kind of invalid.
No.
You got 20.
None of my times are invalid. Because I use four-wheel
Becca,
drive on my
his times are
launches.
invalid. Can you put that in a note somewhere?
I use four-wheel drive on my launches.
The whole time? That
Not
wait,
the whole time. Just when I did
wait,
the
but
spin.
just this one?
Yeah, the one
What about the
before.
one
The one
before?
before.
Okay, that's how you made up that fucking time. I was wondering how you beat me so fucking bad. I feel like we should all get one practice lap.
We were like, oh, she didn't.